for 2025, yung first 6 months natin, we forecasted around 2 to 8 tropical cyclones, at least for the first quarter of the year from January to June. And kung i-compare natin naman in terms of high heat index or extreme temperature during the warm and dry season months natin, this coming warm and dry season natin sa March, April, May. So kung i-compare natin itong nakaraang 2024 ay hindi naman ganon kainit ang ating warm and dry season months this year if we will try to compare yung last year because of the strong El Nino episode na naranasan natin last year. So talagang mga extremes yung mga naranasan natin. Sa ngayon, hopefully, we will not experience those kind of very extreme heat index. So based on the recent climate trends, so it's still continuously increasing pa rin yung ating average mean temperature. So meaning kung meron tayong global warming, so meron din tayong local warming. At ang nakikita natin ay significant warming during night natin. So ibig sabihin, mas increasing yung trend natin ng ating nighttime temperature. So yun yung nakikita natin based on the trend. And yung in terms of tropical cyclones, so decreasing number in terms of frequency of tropical cyclone, but increasing number in terms of mga cyclones na more intense, yung posible. Mas intense cyclone, increasing yung trend natin, pero decreasing in terms of number of tropical cyclone in a year. So yun yung nakikita natin na mga dito, yung mga weather events or yung according dun sa ating mga initial observations dun sa state ng ating climate.